This is the OEDRO tonneau cover installation video. All of the parts you need are enclosed, including all the hardware, brackets, ceiling strip, and LED light. First, place a cover assembly on the truck. Then, set the side rails on top and attach them by sliding the corners into the cover until they click into place. Secure them by tightening the screws located on the side. Position the upper clamps. Connect the lower portion of the clamps under the lip of the trunk bed. Insert a screw and tighten with an Allen wrench. Repeat the same process for the rest of the clamps. Unroll the cover over the truck bed. To securely fasten your tonneau cover, rotate the end downward to latch it. Pull on the cover to tighten it and secure it with the Velcro. Next, stick on the LED light. To open and stow the cover, open the tailgate and pull down on the center release strap. Then, roll the cover up and use the bungee straps to secure it by attaching them to the front tabs. For more information on our tonneau covers or other auto parts, visit OEDRO.com.